looks really fun, so I'm gonna attempt to do some makeup ASMR because this is a makeup channel, okay? So, oh my lord. So, first of all, this video is gonna be completely in English. Why, you may ask? Because I've never watched ASMR in Spanish and I felt weird doing it in Spanish. So yeah, by the way, if you like this makeup look, I'm gonna post a video of it, so stay tuned for that. And if you only speak English, well, too bad for you, sir or miss, because this video is filmed in Spanish. So if you would like me to do more English videos, don't forget to tell me. Okay, thank you very much. And another thing, if you're watching this video on your phone, please stop right there. Watch it on your computer. Why, you may ask again? Because it sounds so much better. And I don't know, I'm trying to move like this because I see all these ASMR hoes and bitches doing it, and I don't know if it does something. I'm trying to be like them, so I'm so fucking sorry. This is like super cringy and awkward. So, another thing, I'm like really close to the camera because this stupid ass microphone has the shortest cable ever. So I just want to be close to the microphone. So yeah, let's start with this makeup ASMR makeup. Okay, we're gonna start with some lip gloss. And this, oh yeah, listen to that lip gloss. This lip gloss is by Rimmel London. Ooh, it's so juicy. This is sounding like porn, but I don't care. Look, listen to the juice. Oh my god, that. I'm not talking about a vagina, I promise. But it's juicy. I'm gonna apply some. Oh yeah, so juicy. We love a good juicy lip gloss, right? Why don't we do a little bit of, oh my god, Jeffree Star watermelon soda. Oh yeah, oh yeah, this one's juicy. Oh my god, I'm sorry if this sounds like porn, but this is low-key sexual. I'm sorry, children. Smells good. Now let's do some brushing. Look at this beautiful brush. Oh yeah, this is a Morphe M447. Let's brush it up. Oh yeah, do you like it? Oh my god, I need to stop. Okay, so brush and imagine that I'm doing your makeup, and the makeup is gonna be super colorful and beautiful. Oh yes. Okay, enough of that. This is some Fix Plus by MAC, and I'm going to apply some. I'm wet. It's a little bit wet, and that was too close to my face. And if you listen to this without watching my face, it actually is porn. Okay. let's stop right there, miss. MPPG, okay? I really don't know what else to do. Let's see if brushing my face with some brushes helps. I'm gonna apply some highlight. Oh yeah, look at the glow, bitch. Oh yeah, I'm glowing. Let's see all my brushes. Actually, these are not all my brushes. I have more, but I'm too lazy to grab them. Oh yeah, scratch the tub. Oh yeah, that was good. So now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna scratch the microphone. Oh yeah, you can feel the tingles. Tingles, 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 tingles. Oh yeah, right in your brain. You're relaxing. So relaxing, I know. I love ASMR where people do mouth sounds. I don't know why. Like this. I don't know why I like that, but that gives me the tingles, bitch. And I saw this girl saying like trigger words like coconut, coconut, coconut. And I forgot the other words, but that was funny. Now let's move on to some eyeshadow, shall we, bitches? This is the Alien palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Cosmetics, right? Oh yeah, that sounds good. We love a good zapping ASMR. I don't know why I say zapping, but I try to say tapping ASMR. And if you think my English is bad, don't come at me, bitch, because I will fight back, okay? Thank you very much. So, what else? What else? Oh my god. Should we do? Oh yeah, let's do another gloss. Oh. So juicy. Well, I think that was enough for my first ASMR. So, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want more ASMR videos, let me know. Or more English videos, let me know. And I hope this was relaxing and you fell asleep watching this. So yeah, thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye, bitches.